Ladies and gentlemen, look who we have here. Prince Dr. Gellini. How's it going, sir?
Hi, Mr. Maurice. You are my dear friend. I want to thank you for the many, many years since you were a student. You know, you understand the value of the culture, art, entertainment industry. I'm so glad you are here for 25th anniversary of the Pharmaceutical World and Press Conference. And also, I want to share with your view. So right now, we create the Olympia Award, 15 arts of the world. And I want to invite you and your fans. It's going to be at the Beverly Hilton Hotel, Beverly Hills, between 5 and 10 p.m. We have a big delegation from the Rockefeller family, from the Gellini Museum, from the University, USC, UCLA, Los Angeles, and the mayor of the Beverly Hills, Lady Bosch, mayor of the San Gabriel, Ms. Tony, and our mayor of Los Angeles, Mr. Eric Garcia. I all be invited to be celebrate, to understand how important culture and art, and there will be competing on country. 225 artists come from America, 225 artists come from Nigeria, from Ghana, from Kenya, from Tanzania. So every 3 years, on the October 30th, we will have an announcement at the Hilton Hotel. I'm looking forward to see you. And there will be a first, this is a very actually exclusive, I'm going to announce it right now because my dear Maurice is a dear friend of mine. It's exclusive right now. I'm announcing it's going to be the first Olympia Award, first ever, not for the compete, for to be united. It will be in the United States of America on November 24, 2024, until December 25th, beginning of the Christmas 2024. It will be entire Hollywood Chamber of Commerce, Hollywood Bar, Kodak Theater, all the, entire, all over the world. They will come into the Hollywood to celebrate the first ever Olympia Award. Remember, this is not the event, it's experience to bring in life for yourself and in life for your family and become yours.
Very cool. Congratulations. I also noted 24, that's going to be a very incredible year because, the voting is going to be going on and Christmas is going to be going on and your Olympia is going to be going on. A lot of excitement, a lot of energy.
I can't wait. Ms. Karen also, who's a candidate for the mayor, she's involved with Olympic athletes. Remember, we are so different. We are Olympia culture, art, and entertainment. Nothing to do with Olympic athletes.
Okay.
Olympic athletes separate than Olympia Award.
Right.
Olympia Award just the culture, and I want to believe every country, they are so beautiful. They can contribute something to the world.
Right. Well, the good thing with the Olympia Awards is not athletic, but it's still good, wholesome competition. So the best of the best is going to come to the top.
Thank you. Best, it's a wonderful. Best, own country with own language, with own public TV, because we're going to be every our
different category.
Different category life, and the people of that country are going to be choose on the best. But the final is not competitive. Final not the competitive because the final of the sport is competitive. We get the gold, bronze, but the final competitive Olympia just recognize one country to another country.
This will be more like qualifying.
Yes, they are really qualified. This is my country, this is your culture, this is my culture. They meet each other for united, to unity,
Very
not competitive.
Well, thank you so much for inviting me to it. I can't wait until that happens, and I can't wait until the 30th. That's going to be great. Today was pretty exciting. All these people coming together solely for the purpose of congratulating you on your accomplishments over all these years, and now you're bringing it back, which is very special. And right now in this world, we need something like this
Yes,
because
we
there's so
need it.
much bloodshed and horror, and this is something that leaves a sweet taste in people's mouths, and people think about, humanity and think about culture when they're 20, 30, even when they're in the teens and little boys and girls. So when we get real old, we're in a wheelchair, and we're 105 years old, we'll think back to these days.
Yes, we started, as you know, with Mr. Dick Crowd 1996 on the April 20, 1996, August 22nd. That was Mr. Dick Crowd and Dick Crowd Production. We have continuously done we went to France with Alan Rahara. We continued until we become Mr. Roger Neal involved. Roger Neal involved also for a number of the years. We were working with Roger Neal because he was also for beginning was with me. And now this year with Mr. David McKenzie. So we're going to have a 25th Family War. We will see it on the CW during the December.
It's going to be special. Thank you so much. And continue, please, being the person you are, kind, intelligent, and full of love in your heart. And most of all, continue to share it with the world.
As long as I have people like you, because you are the God people, we honored to be continued, to be serving to my brother and sister.
Thank you so much. This has been Maurice Dwayne Smith on behalf of Cold Heat News, my show, Nuclear Popcorn. And now I've joined one of your partners, Easy Way Networks. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Easy Way Networks is one of my great friends. I would call him Digital Dick Crowd because he's doing a lot of great job, and he did my dear James. And he will be a very, very promoting all the Olympia Award, fusion art of the world. And as I said to you, Maurice, I believe in you as well. Believe in you, and you're my dear brother. And I always love you from my heart and respect you because you are for everyone, for all the different media. You just I'm learning from you to be humble.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Okay, so you have a great day. Continue lighting up the world. Continue spreading your love and joy.
God bless.
Have a great day, sir.
One more thing I wanted to, before I forgot, I want to make a special thanks to Prince Maria Amor, because she is also, she was the one on the United Nations, the Olympia announcement. She done a lot of great things. From bottom of my heart, whatever she is, I want to have the best wishes for her. And thank you, Maria Prince Maria Amor, to be for humanitarian all the time.
Yeah, she's getting an enthronement on December 12th in Manila. So she got a big award coming out there.
Yes, I can't wait. Whatever she is right now, may God bless her and God bless her family.
There you have it. Thank you so much, sir, and you have a great day. Have a great weekend, and have a great Olympia Award.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'll email it to you because I'm all digital. I'll send it to you. Are you on WhatsApp? Yeah.
He's not here, but I already told him and he said get the information.
Okay, let me go ahead and send you.
What's the name of your company now?
SoCal channel. SoCal channel.
I don't need that's it. I got it.
You have my digital card now. That's my digital card.
That's it. Yeah. Was beautiful. We can collaborate. You know, I joined the Beverly Chambers.
Oh wow.
And it's the most powerful because it's money. The CEO, he says, do you want to join? I said, whatever you want, but I want to bring my contacts to you.
That's
And
good.
join.
Yeah.
So, I want to bring all of them to you because I'm
That's
from
great.
Beverly Hills.
I like
Okay.
为家庭电影奖网络年轻受众。
So we want to exchange the culture together, make the society, community, the harmony, reduce the hate, and show our love together. So I really supported this kind of film. Actually, our city, it's a film make the friendly shape the city. So after pandemic, in our film, our Mission Playhouse, we provide a lot of opportunity for the filmmaker. They can rent our space to make great film. I think most also the family film too. All right, so yeah, and I don't want to talk too much. Otherwise, they say the elected officer will be talk too much. If if we want to talk, maybe the 2 hours, right? So all right, okay. So congratulations. So 祝这个25届的这个家庭电影节这个圆满成功啊！让我们华人社区跟美国其他的族裔一起来共享盛举。谢谢大家。
好，谢谢丁市长的精彩、精烈的致辞。接下来，我们有请我们 Arcadia， 我们所在这个地方 ，This is Arcadia，OK？ We're going to invite Arcadia City Council candidate Eileen Wang to state a few words。有请 Eileen Wang 是我们 Arcadia 的市议员候选人，请她讲话。谢谢，艾丽，有请。
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Eileen Wang. Welcome, everyone, to our city, Arcadia. Arcadia is a beautiful city. I think that everybody already know from each of the street. And I'm very honored to be here to welcome everyone, and also I'm very honored to be here to participate. This is a wonderful festival for film. And family film is new stuff. It might be for American communities for long history, but for Chinese community it's new stuff. So we welcome and we need to work together to build up the American community and the Chinese or Asian community together to get more culture from each other. We need to build up.
和 Pop Stars 杂志电台、电视品牌3.3亿次浏览量，18至55岁最喜欢的平台，全平台宣传家庭电影奖 The Family Film Awards 2022全美娱乐平台巨无霸，青少年最喜爱的 CW 频道，为家庭电影奖网络年轻受众。
Hello everyone, you come over here not to just make a network. You come over here for one good reason, to celebrate the family. Today is a family getting together. First of all, let's pay attention to why we are here. We have one amazing course, family. And this gentleman, 25 years ago, he created something called Family Film Awards. It's a local show. It's known over here by the people over here in California. After 3 years of hard work, we are taking this show global. And yesterday, we watched and finished taping the show, Family Film Awards, with 80 Hollywood A-list stars. 571 people who we are taking the next 1 month to do the editing. The show is going to be on CW, CBS, Warner Brothers, and next star, Paramount. Now one show last Friday. We had over 10 million people watched it. This is an event nobody has ever done here. This is a collaboration, and we hope we have 1 billion hits when Family Film Awards are shown in Christmas time. It's not how great the show, it's who produced the show. We have someone who produced Grammy and Emmy, who sees the value of the family and decides to produce Family Film Awards. David McKinsey. Not only he produces it, he has marketed it to 187 network platforms. And he also had Family Film Awards as a title sponsor for Christmas parade for this year, November 27th. Let's everyone give one full attention for the next 2 minutes to watch what Family Film Awards has transformed to be an international sensation. Thank you. Most importantly, Miss Ma, you know, she's a singer. 她喜欢唱歌。And then 马小秋做了一首歌，叫做《唯愿》，她把它唱成了英文。而且我们在《秋芽物语》的发行会上，是她唱的这首歌，把《秋芽物语》里边的《道德经》引进了好莱坞。那我们欢迎 Rebecca。Rebecca, yes.
Shall I just speak or should I wait for questions?
No, you speak. You know,
right.
who you are, what do you do, and what is a family to you.
Yes. Thank you so much. It's marvelous to be here today for the Family Film Awards. I've sung for this beautiful event in the past. Now I understand Ms. Ma from China owns the entire franchise, and it's an honor and a privilege to be associated with her. Not only is she a philanthropist and believes in promoting family values, but she also is a marvelous songwriter, and I had the great privilege of recording the English version of her beautiful song. And we performed it at her book signing in Beverly Hills when she launched her memoir. So it's a great joy to be here today and be a part of this event. I just returned from Istanbul, Turkey, where I was performing there and doing another video of our show Night Rider, a sort of a sequel to it. I think all of you may remember that show, and that the theme of the show was that one person can make a difference. And I have always believed in the veracity of that statement, and I think Ms. Ma is truly making a difference by promoting the Family Film Awards and promoting all the values that go along with that. You know, we can have a tremendous influence on the world as a whole by the message that we communicate through film and television. So she is at the forefront of leading us in family values and all of that entails. So it's a great joy and a privilege to be here with all of you today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rebecca. Thank you.
Thank you so much for great media, Chinese media. I am very thankful to Chinese media, especially young people, China, either in America. I'm very, very impressed. You see, this media brought all the family together. This media, we have the government support the media. Ms. Ma and everybody or investors have to support the media, because this the media, the past, the message, and we have to put more investors for the media. And I'm a founder. I created Family Film Awards 25 years ago, and from my heart, I trained Ms. Ma to be a part of this this magnificent history, and I pass the torch from my heart because I educated from the Dr. Jeannie E about how magnificent Dr. Mao Shao she is. And today I just want to be very impressing to bring the tours past and bring the youngest Chinese people, the media, how important the family. And may God bless you all. God bless family.